Hi guys, welcome to another day of Techly Things where we deal with techly stuffs. Now today on the program I want to show you how to remove watermark from images. Now before I start I would like to implore you guys to subscribe to the channel, like, share. Also you can click the notification bell so that you can see the latest videos that is uploaded. Now, without further ado, let me go in the program. Now, what I'm gonna do now is to import the image to Photoshop. Now, I have an image on my desktop, right? And the quickest way for me to do it, to get it there, is to just go there and drag it like that. And I'll try my best to make this video as quick as possible, but I also want to have people who don't know much about Photoshop to see the steps, and I'm going to explain every single step that I'm taking. Now the images on the page, right? So normally what you want to do, you want to get the here from showing background. You click on the lock and it's showing image. I want to have two layers and you drag it down to that there, you get two. I'm gonna label the first one original. The second one, I just pressed tab a while ago, call it edit. Right. Okay, so what you do now, you want to get to the object selection tool, which is this here. Right? When you get it there, sometimes you will find this on the rectangle tool. You don't want the rectangle, you want the lasso, which is what it is there now. Okay, so now we have it. We're gonna start our selection. You want to do a circle around the watermark. There we go, it's working. Modify the selection. The reason being is that when you select it, some of the times it goes straight, it goes close to the watermark, and you want to get it further than just where the watermark is, because when you remove the watermark it might have the skeletal around it. So have 4 pixels, that's what I always use, so I click that, and then we're going to go to the edit. Minimize. Okay, we're going to the edit now, and then we go to fill. When you fill, you're going to fill, make sure it's on content aware, and then you click that button there, and it's coming up in 3, 2, 1. See what's there now? Just a skeleton. And to deselect that, you press Ctrl and D, add key. Okay, and that's where we have a little bit of mark there. I'm gonna get this image up, and I just press the Ctrl T, making sure I get rid of everything. There we have that one. Oh, sorry. Alright, so this one is plain stubborn. There's a simple way of getting it out, and this might be against the script, but what you want to do, you use the clone tool here, So a little bit against the thing, but sometimes you have a stubborn one, and this is what you do. You get the clone tool. You want to go somewhere that is close to the color. You press the Alt key, click on that, and you come right there, and that's gone. Simple as that. Okay, and the next one is this one here. Alright, we go close to another color there. You click on that and you get that out. This one here, the closest color is this. Click on that and you get that out. So there's no more problem you have there. And I'll do a video on how to use the clone tool another time, but for now let me see the finished product of this here, and it is just as that, just like that. It's out. Okay, so thanks again guys for watching. Let me before I go to saying that, let me export the video, export it, and I want to make sure it's in JPEG file. I don't want it in Photoshop, and the image on my desktop is proof, so I don't want it to overwrite it, so I put proof 1 or 2. I put proof 2. Alright, so we're gonna send it there, and I want the maximum quality. That's where I go, and let me go there to look at it, and I said proof 2, so proof 2, there it is, just like that. So guys, thank you very much for watching this episode of Techly Things, and I do hope you like what I've presented, and if you do, leave a like, a comment, or a share. And for this program again, I am out, and this is Duke Rick saying peace.